Assemble the stand and attach the suction cup to the glass. Then plug the car charging power cable into the position of the cigarette lighter on the car, and it can be turned on for use. Through FM radio, the sound is transmitted to the original car speaker. Wireless Carplay function can be connected. iPhone can mirror link via wired connection. Can connect to Android Auto wirelessly. Android phone can mirror link via wired connection. Can connect mobile phone Bluetooth music and Bluetooth calls. Can read USB and TF card devices. Can play music, pictures and video files.